In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unlock the aspect ratio in Canva, enabling you to resize images, text boxes, and elements with total flexibility. Whether you're a seasoned designer or someone just tinkering around, understanding how to manually adjust these details can elevate your creative project significantly. So, let's get started. First, head over to canva.com. You'll want to sign in using your credentials. Simply click the login button, which you'll find conveniently located in the upper right corner of the homepage. If you haven't signed up yet, the options for creating an account are pretty straightforward. You can log in using Google, Facebook, or simply with your email, whatever you're comfortable with. After you're logged in, you'll find yourself on your Canva dashboard. From here, open the project you want to work with. Just seek out your design in your project list and click on it to open. This step is essential because you need to be inside your project to make any changes to the elements. Once you've opened your project, identify the image, text box, or any other design element you need to resize. Give it a click to select it. With that, you are now ready to modify its aspect ratio, which is crucial for customizing your design to fit specific formats and sizes depending on your needs. Next, locate the resize option. You'll usually find this on the menu bar directly above the editor area. The resize toolbar gives you the power to tweak dimensions with ease. Clicking on it brings several options to your command, each designed to help you achieve the perfect sizing. Here is the crucial part: look for the lock aspect ratio icon. This icon resembles either a chain or a padlock. The function of this icon is to keep your elements' width and height changes proportional to one another. To achieve an independent sizing adjustment, make sure this icon is not selected. By deselecting it, you enable the flexibility to adjust the width and height independently. At this stage, you can manually adjust the width and height of your selected element to achieve the desired aspect ratio. You have two options here. Either use the resize handles that appear at the corners of your element directly on the canvas, or input specific dimensions in the width and height fields for precise measurements. This customization ensures you have exactly the dimensions needed for your project. There you have it. Unlocking the aspect ratio in Canva is a simple yet powerful tool in the designer's toolkit, providing you with versatile and control over your projects. Happy designing!